Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today, in the daily newspaper of Friday, August the 25th, 2023. Yes, it's almost weekend, last working day of this week. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and the Tectonic. aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Sudoku. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Friday, August the 25th, 2023. Also a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, with 4 stars, this one, and this one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, again, yes. And the last puzzle is a binary, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And what's the news of today? Well, finally we got the gold. Yes, gold for Femke Bol, 400 meters hurdles. Yes. All right, medium Sudoku number. This will be number 6980. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3 in the middle row. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then. How about the 6 in this column? 6 in the column next. So last column, no need to place level. The 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 place left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Now we have a pair, 2 and a 4 in the last column, 2 and a 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 place left for the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. 3 and 8. Okay. Alright. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between, only 2 place left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the last column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, okay. Then, let me me see 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between only 2 place left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 place left for the 6 should be here, here or there. You see a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Okay. How about 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this row. Oh, we already have a 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Okay. Then let me see. So here we have a 3, need a 3 there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers in this third row. One of the missing number is a 3. Well, we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square, so no 3 in this box. Here can be 3 because we have 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here we have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. So the 3 in the third row could be here, here or there. Here or there. We see another 3 in the third column, no 3 there. Here 3 in the first column, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 in the third row should be there. Okay. Alright. Then need an 8 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Okay. Yeah. 7. Yeah. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so no row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9. Okay, that means in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 in this box. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 there. Here 9 in this column, so no 9 here. Here another 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. So the 9 in the first row could be here, could be there. Here or there. You see another 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes in there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can. Nope. We missing here the 3. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. The 3. Digit number 2, number 3. Okay. And now 8, and now 7. How about need a 9 here, need a 9 there. 5. Come on. 8. Need an 8 there. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first column, so no 8 in these two boxes. The 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in this row. 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only two places left with 8. Could be here, could be there. 8, 8. 8. Okay. 7, 7, 7. Come on. We have a pair, the 7 and 9 in the third column, the 7 and 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places left for the 7 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Okay. 2, 3. So we need a 2 here. 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. We need a 4 here. That means we have a 4 in these 3 boxes in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 goes together with 8. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. So the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. 4, 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 5, 5. Need a 2, need a 8, need a 9. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this row, third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. Need a 2 here. Yep, 2 in this row. Last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2. Yes. Digit number 3, number 2. Okay. 1, 7, 9, and an 8. Need an 8 there. Okay. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Okay. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5, and the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. Then, well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. No, 1. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the third row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 box left in the first row for the 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Here we have 3 missing numbers. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. And look, we have 4 and 8 in this column, so no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 5. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, 5 in that row, so the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 5, okay. 1 in this column. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, told you. Need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars. Definitely a 2 stars puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, a jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.